Larry changing the microphone. Y'all see Larry quick right there. The Ghost Rider monster truck bringing it to the infield. Y'all ready to see him turn this truck upside down? Come on now, one more time. You're going to have to get loud. Y'all ready to see Larry quick turn this truck all the way over and land on the wheel? All right. He's bringing it up. The Ghost Rider monster truck. This will be flip number 74. Nobody's ever done more backflips in a monster truck than this man. He was the very first person ever to do a backflip in a monster truck. Larry Quick, Alito, Illinois. Here we go, y'all. If you got a checkered flag, wave it. Get him high. There we go. Oh, little test run right there. Larry will pull up. Get ready. Get on your feet. Get your cameras ready. Wave those checkered flags in the air. Larry Quick in the Ghost Rider 1967 Ford Mustang. Backflip number 74. Here we go. Oh, little test run right there. Gonna make sure it's gonna hit right where he wants it to hit. Now, you'll know when he hits. 1,500 horsepower. Alcohol injected, big block horsepower set between the frame rails. Larry built the truck. He built the motor. He developed the backflip. He's got it off. He'll be able to hear you. Make some noise right now for Larry Quick. They'll get out there. Here comes the safety crew. We've got everybody in place. Here comes Ed out one last time. Now last night he went out there, he knocked the front end plumb off the truck, flipped it over. It took us a little while to get him out of the truck and get it back on the wheels, but he cranked it up and drove it back to the trailer. So one more time, y'all ready to see Larry turn this truck upside down? This man's thrown more backflips than anybody. I'm telling you, that bus is probably 15 feet tall. When this truck goes up in the air, he'll be higher than a billy goat in a pear tree. And buddy, that's up there. That's in the high register. You can't reach it. You can't reach it from here. At least I can't. All righty. Yeah, so let me get on the radio and call down there and see what's going on. All right, here's the word I got. Y'all make some noise. He's got a problem with the transmission. Probably broke it last time, but he's going to go for it anyway. Larry Quick in the Ghost Rider. Something happened in the trunk when he rolled it up there. Probably broke it last night. Said the transmission's not working right. It acts like it don't want to shift when it takes off. But Larry said you folks came out here on a holiday weekend, told him you wanted to do a backflip. So here we go. Get the cameras ready. Oh, so close. On the nose. Now, hang tight, we'll make sure Larry's okay. We'll get him out of there. I'll let you know as soon as we can. Now, guys, you can see when the truck went up there, it didn't shift. That thing was stopped.